Going to St. Louis Pass, fish with these two gentlemen, Paul and Jose. Really beautiful morning. Sun is rising. Here has our captain. Jose is trying to catch some mullet. Yeah, here has a lot of mullet. It seems some big fish is behind. These two gentlemen they are going to start a fish. Wow, something big.
No, he had him good. He had him good.
We caught a redfish.
ZZ caught a redfish.
Jose caught a flounder, and Paul caught a speckled trout. We'll show you the fish later.
We have we have the Texas trio in the boat. Now, what I want to do is come around like this and look at that. That is a beautiful redfish.
Nice,
and that's what you call a ZZ redfish. All right, so we got the first ZZ on the boat.
Jose caught another redfish.
Caught him on mullet.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
ZZ, we'll take video of you.
Okay, cool. Wow, this is a good one.
That's a good one.
What's that? Need I get a net?
Not yet, not yet. It's gonna be a little while. Yeah, see, ZZ, this is the way you fight them. See, you gentle, but
Okay.
you keep attention on them.
Yeah, keep tension probably.
Alright, he's coming underneath the boat, but I got tension on it. See,
Okay.
I got tension all the time.
That's good.
So that's what you need to do.
Okay.
You see, like it takes off,
Yeah.
and you don't want the tension so tight.
Okay.
You lose the fish.
Okay.
Because it'll bust the line.
I'm talking about, they call it drag.
The drag. Yeah, you don't want the drag.
That thing, man.
Okay, this is a nice thread.
It's a keeper, Jose.
Man, that thing got foul hooked or what?
I don't know, but
Okay, let me get to the net. I'm going to turn off this, but okay. Jose is getting the net.
Foul hooked him, dude. Look it up. Give him to me, foul hooked.
Okay, nice job.
it's a keeper though. That's
Keeper, yeah, it should be keeper. Redfish needs to be 20 inch.
20 inches.
Yeah.
And this should make it.
Yeah.
And watch this. I'm gonna put him right here, and you look at the measuring stick right here, and watch this. He's gonna be right at 20, 21.
Yeah, tail.
Right, pinch the tail, and it's 20 inches right
Right there.
Right on the money.
There. Good.
there. Right on the money, honey. Yes, sir.
Paul just caught a stingray.
Stingray.
Okay.
Coming in with a big.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, he left.
Okay. Jose just got a big fish. Let's see, what is that? It's still there? It's there?
He's still on.
Okay, good.
He's just slack right there. Let's see what it is.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Based on the shaking, the frequency, can you guys tell what kind of fish is this?
Frequency is like 99%.
Uh-huh.
The shaking and the frequency.
So guess what? Okay, guys.
Shaking and the frequency, man. He's way over there because he's about to burn my finger off.
Come on,
Oh, no, it's no good. It's a manta ray or a stingray. He's
Oh my goodness.
big.
Well,
And
bring
going
him.
over all them
Bring
lines.
him
Let me get
in.
over there, dude.
Okay.
Come on.
Let me go into all of this.
Come on.
He's a stingray or manta ray. I saw the wing.
The pump just went up.
Uh-oh. Okay, we're gonna have to cross. We're over 2 lines right there. Okay, we'll let that line go. It's huge. It's over.
Here is there.
No,
There's
no,
fish
I think
now.
it's over that one.
Okay.
What we need to do, Duke, is get rid of these two lines right here.
Hold on. Let me.
I gotta let it go.
This has a fish too.
I don't know. I hope it does, but it might.
Let's take care of this first.
These are resting right now. Duke. It's a big one. Get all of them. We got another line.
I think we got
There's a white line right there. I think it's tied up with this white
one over here. And it's ZZ's.
Now he's over ZZ's. And it's got my white line too. This thing is tough, man. It's huge. Or else it
That's
would-
good. We want huge fish.
Come over here. You take him on, and I'll video for you. See?
No, I video you. I video you.
What's that?
No quiere. He says no. He ever wants to. Look at that thing.
Oh wow! It's a stingray,
No,
huge
it's
one, huh?
It's a manta ray.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, let me put it up so you can show it. Manta ray.
Wow. Okay.
Huge. Yeah.
Wow. Cool.
He worked it right. You'll bring him in. Now you can go take a good one over there. Man, I was hoping there'd be a big bull there.
Yeah, I was too. But let me get this.
Ooh.
I'm just gonna have to drag him and then put him back in the water.
It's gone.
Let him clean out that fungus he's got on it so that one gets good shot of it.
Paul got another interesting fish. What do we call that? Dogfish?
A dogfish. It's actually a blowfish.
Blowfish.
Yeah, it's a blowfish. It'll blow up, and it blows up like a balloon when it gets mad.
Oh,
But
cool.
right now, it just looks like a porcupine. Look at that. See how different that is?
Yeah. Yeah, this is a very hard spine, and you say, cool.
It's got very hard teeth. It'll bite you. It'll bite your finger off.
Are you taking a picture of it?
Here are our catch today, and here are the two experts, Jorge and Paul.
See it?
Let me just go this way. Wow, how many?
There's 36 total fish. Want to fillet the redfish and all them, or how you want to do it?
Yes.